Well, as you know, October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and many people, including you at home, you know someone who's fighting cancer. Well, our next guest is no different. Local artist Jennifer Weinstein. I've known you for 13 years. I can't believe I can't get your name right. Don't take it personally.
That's okay, don't worry.
Well, Jennifer is here, and your mother and your mother-in-law were affected by cancer, and you just couldn't sit back and watch it, so you decided to do something.
I did, and that's how all of the crystal keys for the cure were born.
So tell us how how the sort of key symbol came about.
Well, since breast cancer has always been sort of the key to the cure, I took a play on words, the crystal key for the cure, because you know, women suffering from breast and ovarian cancer are down in the dumps.
Yeah.
But I think that these women should come on out and make a fashion statement and feel good about themselves. Be glamorous.
Well, you're going to be launching these at Saks Fifth Avenue.
Yes.
And that is on, when is that?
That'll be Thursday, this coming Thursday.
Okay.
Doors open at 8:30 in the morning.
I'm sure you're really excited, Jenny.
I'm so excited.
Well, look at all these wonderful things that you're doing. And each key says a little something. I know one of them said dream, courage. So my guess is it just, you know, each person can sort of pick, or maybe the person giving the gift can sort of pick the message that they want to send.
That's exactly right. Some are inscribed with the word journey, because everybody's journey is different and unique. Other keys are inscribed with the word memory. Maybe they've lost a loved one,
right.
You know. And other keys are inscribed with the word dreams, for the dream to find the cure.
Right.
And
each key is one of a kind, right?
They're all one of a kind. I hand place every crystal. They're all Swarovski crystals, so they're the finest crystals you can buy. And even the antique keys, I search all over the world, really, for these keys that I embellish. And
I mean, these aren't your normal. These are not house keys. I mean, these keys have character. Jenny, let's look at your studio. I mean, you are such a creative girl, and I know we've got some video of what it's like, you know, with you working.
Well, thank you. Okay.
There you go. You can sort of see it and explain it. And how long ago did you start this?
Oh, well, the crystal keys for the cure this is very current, but what you're seeing there, well, there's the hologram table that I built for the Chicago Furniture Designer Association competition. They're all holograms. You step forward and back and the eyes open and close. That's the scarf that I designed for the Lyric Opera of Chicago for the opera Don Quixote, sold out in a week. This piece here is the autism sculpture representing, you know, finding this cure for autism. And
well, your heart is definitely in the right place. What does Uma Thurman have to do with all of this?
Oh, well, gosh, I'm so glad you asked. You know, she's the spokeswoman this year for the Key to the Cure for Saks. And that crystal key at the very top in the center,
right here?
The very top one that says Journey, is getting mailed out to her today. So
the day you see that on like People magazine or something, you were going to be so excited.
So excited.
Jenny, congratulations. You have such a big heart, and you're doing so many wonderful things for the community, and you're helping all of us ladies look glamorous when we're feeling down in the dumps.
Thank you. And you know, 10% indefinitely will go to TGen to help find a cure.
See what I said? You have a big heart. Thank you. All right. Well, the Key to the Cure event at Saks Fifth Avenue will be held October 21st, and tickets range between $75 and $125. And Saks, again, will also donate 2% of all sales between October 21st to the 24th to TGen to help find a cure for breast cancer. Lastly, you can learn more about Jennifer's work by checking her website out, and that is originalsbyjennifer.com.